If you own a dog, you need to know about kennel cough. It's more common than you think and can spread fast. Here's what you need to know. Kennel cough is a highly contagious respiratory illness in dogs. It spreads quickly in places like dog parks and kennels. Most dogs only get mild symptoms, but puppies and seniors are at higher risk. Symptoms include a loud, honking cough and sometimes gagging. If your dog shows severe signs like fever or loss of appetite, see your vet immediately. To prevent kennel cough, keep your dog's vaccinations up to date, avoid close contact with sick dogs, and disinfect shared items like bowls and toys. Early detection and prevention can keep your dog safe and happy. Stay informed and give your pup the best care possible. 100% of my channel revenue is donated to apolloruby.org to prevent unnecessary euthanasia. Throw me a like and help us help animals.